Welcome to In the Spotlight, India's first student-led podcast. Today we are at Prarthana.in World School. Where the tiny tots have bigger dreams and even bigger smiles. Show me how strong you are. Oh wow, you're very strong, right?
Yes, I like
Do you like school?
in the play area.
Play area. What do you play, Sarthak?
I can play slide or a merry-go-round.
And what else you do at school?
And I will draw it.
You draw.
Yes.
You paint. I like you. Do you want to come with me?
No.
No.
I will go to that class. Yes, I can take a nap into the night.
Today we are here to take you to all the wiggles, wonder and the cutest voice you ever hear. Hi guys, welcome. What's your name
Krishu.
and yours?
I know.
How old are you both?
I am 5 years.
And you?
I am 4 years.
Wow, big boys. Isn't it? Are you both big boys?
Yes.
Really? Okay, Krishav, how are you feeling today?
I'm nice.
You're nice? You're happy?
I am happy.
Okay, now you tell me, Arnav, have you ever helped your friend in the class?
Yes.
How?
He cannot find his water bottle, so
Huh?
I did find his water bottle and he gave his water bottle.
So you both went and searched for the water bottle?
Yes.
Where was it?
It was in the last.
Last. Okay, did you find it for him? Then how? Did he thank you for that?
Yes.
So then you became best friends with him? What's his name?
Manogna.
No, okay. So, Krishav, tell me, what makes you feel really, really loved?
Hmm. I don't know.
So, okay, tell me, do you like to play with your friends?
Yes.
Does it make you feel good?
Yes.
Who is your favorite friend?
Gnan.
Gnan. Gnan is your best friend?
Yes.
Nice. And is something nice you did to someone today?
Yes.
What is that?
I did help.
You helped?
Yes.
What? What help?
When he fell down,
Uh-huh.
I did help. him
How?
to
How
get
did you help
up.
him?
He did fell down.
Okay.
I did help. I did help.
Did you hold his hand or did you hold his hand?
Yes.
Really? Okay, are you that strong? Can you just show me how strong you are? How strong?
I don't know. I cannot show it.
Why? You can just do this and show me how strong you are. No?
I cannot show it.
Okay. So, what will you do, Krisha, when you are very angry? Like, what makes you very angry?
I will tell don't do like that one.
Okay, you make faces?
No.
No, you don't make faces. Do you make faces, Arnav, when you're angry? What face do you make when you're angry?
Yes.
So, people get scared?
Yes.
Who gets scared when you're angry?
I don't know.
You don't know. What will you do when you both are angry?
We will scare them.
How do you scare them?
I cannot show you.
You can show it to me. I told I'm your friend, right? Show it to me how you scare people.
I don't know.
Okay. What do you do when someone says sorry?
I will tell it's okay.
Do you say the same thing
Yes.
when someone says sorry? Do you both say sorry?
Yes.
Yeah? For what do we say sorry for?
But we are not in same class.
That's okay. But when you do some mistakes, do you say sorry?
Yes.
Do you think it's important to say sorry? Or it is not important?
It's important.
What about you, Krishav? Do you think saying sorry is very important?
Yes.
Yeah? How important it is?
I don't know.
Okay. So, what is this one word that you use every day? What's that golden word that you use every day?
Is I-S.
Okay, what about you? What is that one word that you use every day when things are done and people help you? What do you say?
I love you.
And
I love you too.
you say, I love you. How about you?
No.
You don't say, I love you. You say?
Hmm?
You say? What is this? Thank you. Okay. Oh, did you watch any movies recently?
Yes.
Which one?
Minion.
Minion. How many times have you watched Minion?
One time.
What about you? Did you watch Krisha any movies?
The Pepper Pig.
Peppa Pig. Okay. Have you? How many times you watched Peppa Pig?
Daily I will watch. Sometimes I will watch Mr. Bean also.
Oh, that's your favorite character, Peppa Pig or Mr. Bean?
Pepper Pig.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Kritanya.
Kritanya. And what is your name, child?
Sarthak.
Which class are you in?
1C.
And you?
BY2B.
BY2B. Okay. So now tell me, how are you all feeling today? How are you feeling?
Good.
And how about you? You had your breakfast?
Yes. Yes.
What you had?
I have French fries.
For the breakfast?
Yes.
Really? French fries for the breakfast?
Yes.
Yummy. And what about you?
Cheese sandwich.
Oh wow. You know I love cheese sandwiches. How many sandwiches you had?
3,
3. Wow. And what about you?
4.
4 French fries.
Yes.
4. Just enough.
Yes.
Just 4 French fries enough for you.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, Kritanya, I have few questions for you today. Okay. Now tell me, what's the first thing you do when you come to school, Kritanya?
Circle time.
Okay, what do you do at circle time?
Prayer.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What prayer do you sing? You know the prayer?
For the white corns in the feet.
Mm-hmm. Do you paint?
No.
You don't paint?
I only paint.
You paint in the class?
Yes.
What do you do? What do you
I-
paint?
I eat one French fries only.
You eat French fries in the class?
No, I only eat at my home.
Okay, what about painting? We were talking about painting now.
Yes.
So do you paint in the class?
Yes.
What did you paint recently?
I play. I have some toys around.
Paint. What did you paint recently?
Robot.
Robot. What color did you paint for the robot? One second.
Yellow and blue and grey. It can do like this. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
That can walk.
Huh?
Your robot can walk. The one which you painted.
It can do like his leg. Only one car it will be like that.
Only one car.
I'm a car only.
You're a car.
Yes.
Are you a transformer? Bumblebee. Is it walking again in the classroom?
No,
No.
it's only walking in outside.
Outside, huh? Where it walks?
And today,
Today it walked outside.
yes.
Does it take you back home? So you like studies or fun games? What do you like?
Studies.
You like studies?
Yes.
Okay. What subject do you like more? You like math, you like science, what do you like? You like calculating 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers?
Yes.
Or you like A, B, C, D, alphabet? What do you like?
Alphabets.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, now Kritanya, tell me, what is this classroom super fun? What makes your classroom super fun? Activities?
Yes.
So drawing?
Yes.
You have toys at your in your classroom?
No.
No, you don't have toys?
I mean yes.
Okay. So do you like lakes?
Yes.
Do you like water?
Yes.
What do you like about lakes and rivers, animals?
I like about water because I can see fishes
Mm-hmm.
and I can even see crocodiles.
Uh-huh. Okay. You like crocodiles and fishes in the water?
Yes.
So where do you find crocodiles and fishes? Do you find it in your swimming pool or your lake or your river? Where do you find it?
I can find on a river.
River. How about you?
In the lake?
Okay. Have you ever visited a lake?
No.
No? You would like to visit one?
Yes.
That's nice. Okay, Sarthak. Sarthak, I heard you have a pet at home. What's his name?
Happy.
Happy.
Yes.
So what pet is that?
He was coming to the home.
Okay. Is it a dog or a cat? What do you have?
Dog.
His name is Happy.
Yes.
What dog is that?
He is coming at my home and drink water. Is thirsty.
Okay. All the time Happy is thirsty.
Yes.
Okay. Do you feed him?
I can't only. The dog will only eat.
Oh, dog will eat it. What do you feed him? What do you feed the dog? What food do you feed the dog?
The food dog.
Oh, dog food.
Yes.
Okay, the pedigrees.
Yes.
Okay. What do you do when Happy says, I am bored and I'm tired?
He will say tired.
Tired? Happy talks.
Yes. No.
Oh, then what?
He can only just eyes is my eyes is tired.
He blinks.
No, he can't. He can't. I can only blink it.
Okay, then what do Happy do when he's tired?
When he's going to the bed and he will sleep on the dog bed.
Okay, so do you take him for a walk or something when he is tired and bored?
He's not bored.
He's not bored.
Huh.
Okay.
He's smart.
He's smart.
Yes.
You have plants? You have a lot of plants at home?
Yes.
How many plants you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 plants.
Yes.
You have name for the plants also? You want to tell their names?
Yes, they're called as tomato plants.
All tomato plants you have? 6
Yes.
tomato plants.
Yes.
So you like tomatoes?
Yes.
Okay. Do you eat tomatoes?
Yes. It is a fruits.
Oh yeah. Tomato is a fruit, not vegetable, right? Sarthak, tell me, if you had a teddy bear that could talk, what would you say to it?
Sorry.
Sorry?
Yes.
Why you want to say sorry to teddy bear?
I can do high five with the
Okay.
teddy.
You want to say hi and give high fives to the teddy?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to make teddy as your best friend?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. What's one thing that makes you feel safe at home?
You cannot be scared in a room or a hall and not in a wardrobe and not in an office.
Okay. So, do you think mama and papa make you feel safe at home?
Yes.
Okay, they protect you from everything?
Mama will prepare and my daddy will do like office work.
Office work. Mama will do what? Mama will help you with your food. Mama will help you to get dressed up. Mama will help you.
And today it's my birthday.
Really? Really? Happy birthday.
No, it's December my birthday. It's December.
Okay. So, can I say happy birthday to you right now? Because
No,
I don't think so I can meet you on
when
December.
uncle come and build my birthday.
What?
And even Arabi got his cake and I got a different cake.
You got different cakes.
Yes.
How many cakes did you get for your birthday? One?
One.
Only one? Is it
Yes.
chocolate cake?
No, only I have a different kind of cake, only Spider-Man.
You have spiders inside the cake?
Yes.
They all
It's my
spiders.
homemade December and all the time it's my birthday.
Okay, birthday boy. Sarthak, do you like school?
Yes.
What is the best thing about school, baby?
Cool baby, it's gone. It's gone home.
Going home is the best thing.
Yes.
Did you hear what he said? What's the best thing? Going home is the best thing. Okay. What's your favorite corner in your school? Which place you like? Play area. Where do you like? Where do you like to sit, spend time in school?
In the play area.
Play area. What do you play, Sarthak?
I can play slide or a merry-go-round.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Saitra ma'am.
Why is she your favorite teacher?
Because he will go to the different class.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she'll take you along to the
Yes.
different classes. You love to go to classes.
Yes.
And what else you do at school?
And I will draw it.
You draw.
Yes.
You paint. You
Yes.
have a robot. You have a magic door. What else you have, Papa?
I'm a robot.
You have robot, okay.
I have a small robot and I have that dog Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. In your class?
No, in my home.
No, no. What else you have it in your class?
I don't have it in my Paw Patrol in my class, only in my home.
In your home. Okay, what else you have it in your class? Now tell me. Try to remember what all things that you have it in your class and it's super fun.
I have Sonic and chess.
Okay, nice. You like to play chess?
Yes,
Oh, that's
it's
cool.
a toy.
Chess is a toy.
Yes.
Isn't it a game?
No,
Really?
it's in mummy's phone.
Oh, okay. Nice. Thank you, Sarthak. Let's wait for your friend. What else you do, Sarthak? You seem so much fun.
Yes.
I like you. Do you want to come with me?
No,
No.
I will go to that class.
You go to that class. But it seems so much fun to talk to you. Let's go now. Let's go and eat some burgers and French fries and watch Transformer movie. And I can drop you back home.
And I can only my mama will drop home.
Okay, you don't want me to drop home? No?
No,
Why?
it is so big. I have so big home.
Do you think is it safe to go with any unknown person?
Yes,
No. Yes. Is it safe?
yes,
Really?
yes,
You think they can kidnap you, right?
yes. I can take a nap into the night.
Do you think it is safe to
Yes.
talk to some strangers?
Only police.
Only police, right?
Yes.
Is it safe to talk to some uncles outside, some aunties outside?
Yes.
Is it safe? They are strangers, no? They can hurt you.
No, there's no stranger. They'll get out of here.
They'll get out of here. Really?
No, they have gone to the jail.
Oh, they'll go to the jail if somebody
Yes.
try to mess with you. Yeah, because you're very strong, right? You can
Yes,
just
sir.
push them to
And
the police.
I got energy with my hand.
Show me where is this energy? Show me how strong you are. Oh wow, you're very strong, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I like Hulk.
And Hulk, you are like Hulk. Okay,
Yes.
okay. There's a big fat mosquito near you. See? Move, Yan.
It's a dragonfly. Hey. Where did it go? Hey, no. Shut.
Okay.
Ay.
Okay. Yeah. Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
What's your name?
Luan.
How old are you?
LKG.
LKG. You're LKG years old. Okay, that's nice. So, do you like school, Luan?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the best thing about school?
Making ice cream in the board.
So, you draw ice creams on the board? Who will help you to draw ice creams on the board?
I'll draw on my own.
So, you color it as well? So, how about the play time?
I play with everyone.
You play with everyone. Who is your best friend?
Avyut.
And who is your favorite teacher?
Vega ma'am.
Why?
Because she gives me to do right.
Okay, she'll ask you to write. Do you like writing? What do you write, Luan?
I matched the young cows to another small cow and another one to another
What's your favorite activity in the class?
playing with Avyut.
Playing with Avyukt. Okay. So, do you want to talk about your school? What do you want to talk about your school?
What hasn't happened here, I'll tell.
What do you tell? Do you want to talk about your school? Do you want to say something about school to me? Yeah, what do you want to say?
About the drawings I make in the board.
Okay, do you like coming to school? Really? For what do you like to come to school? For your friends or for teachers?
For my friend.
For your friends. That's nice. Very nice. Thank you so much, Luan. Do you have a pet too?
No.
No. Do you pet Happy?
I had when I was a little boy.
Wow. You're a leader boy as well.
But now it's dead.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mr. Robot. Awesome. Oh, that pains.